So if you guys are interested in a hair tutorial, just stay, ooh, I was gonna do something cute. Just stay just stay tuned. Woo! Okay, didn't really work, but let's go. Channel. Today is going to be a hair tutorial. I actually did this a long time ago, like just when I started Instagram. I feel like I did this type of hair tutorial, and I want to film it again for you guys so you can see more in depth on here on YouTube, as well as the video quality was like not cute. It was like when I just started, and ooh, it's like so cringe fest when you look back at those tutorials that you first started with. But anyways, this hairstyle you could do with a bunch of different headbands that you have. If you don't have any, I think these are so cute. The one that I really wanted to wear for this, because I feel like it would have been a little bit more wintry, was a rose one, like a headband, but I can't find it, it's somewhere. So we're gonna do it with this. I know it's a little bit more summery, but it's the same sort of concept, but with any sort of single flower element. You could do it with all different things actually. You could do it with like a rhinestone headband, but I love the way that it looks with the flowers, with the hair wrapped around it. All right, so first thing, I'm going to part my hair where I want it to be parted. So it's pretty much parted. This is kind of like my natural side part. And then we're going to place this headband on, like a little bit of height. All right, that's cute. Next thing you're going to do is start twisting this hair around. And we're going to just clamp it right here for a second with this lobster claw type of thing. So it's out of the way, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And then what we're gonna do up here, you're just gonna cross them so they get nice and tight. So take that lobster clip out, clip everything together. Next thing I'm gonna do, you definitely don't have to do this. I just like working with extensions because it makes it a lot easier and a lot more voluminous. And these are from Goldilocks, and I'm going to stick them in right where I have that clamp because we're gonna pin over it and hide it anyways. All I'm gonna do with this hair is go and weave around each and every flower. This is why it looks really beautiful, I feel like, with the flower. Just go ahead and secure everything with a bobby pin in between the flowers so they don't slip. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, so just go ahead and take this hair and move it over here. I know it looks like a hot mess right now, but I promise it's real cute. Right where that hair clamp is. Another way that you could do this, you could braid them first and then weave them in and out, which is super cute as well. Going around all of these and making sure that you can see all the flowers. Just go ahead and pin them a little bit tighter. Now that these are pretty situated, I'm going to take all of this hair, come on, over here, and now you could go ahead and add more extensions if you would like just right under there, and you can get more voluminous if you feel like your hair is a little bit on the shorter side. So now all we're going to do is basically grab little pieces. You're gonna take 2 fingers, wrap it around like that. Let me go down a little further. And then you're going to pin it and then kind of leave the edges. Now, depending on how long or short your hair is, that's going to be how much hair you take around. My hair is pretty long, so I need to actually go completely around and then pin it. But if your hair is shorter, you could probably just sort of scrunch all of it up. Around, pin. The sides of your head, you want a little bit closer to you, so it gradually kind of goes up. So just go ahead and take, we have a lot of hair happening in this situation, so you're just gonna go underneath and push the bobby pin up so you have hair on top of it, so you're not gonna see it that way. And I think we are looking good. What do you guys think? You like it? Give it a thumbs up if you guys like this hair tutorial. And I think that's about it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you have any other hairstyles you want me to do tutorials for, just always let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!